About this item: laptop cleaning kit. Altura Photos 5-piece laptop cleaning kit is the perfect solution for cleaning laptops, computers, and electronics. 100% safe for all electronic surfaces, this kit holds all the cleaning essentials for office and home equipment. What's included? Included in this 5-piece laptop cleaning kit is an Altura Photo 2 ounces screen cleaner spray, 1 cleaning brush, 1 air blower, 1 dust cleaning gel, 100G, and 1 large Microfiber microfiber cleaning cloth, 16x16. Be debris free, remove dust and debris in seconds. The brush, air blower, and gel quickly removes dust and debris. Simply spray the cleaning solution onto the Microfiber microfiber cloth, then wipe the screen for a spotless, streak-free finish. Safe to use. This laptop cleaning kit is 100% safe to use on all electronics, laptops, computers, keyboards, and more. Easily clean keyboards, display screen surfaces, and electronics without leaving scratches or streaks. We are Altura Photo. On one side of the lens is the moment. On the other side is you. Capturing the moment has a lot to do with the gear in your hands. We provide quality and affordable photography and cleaning options for your everyday life. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: laptop cleaning kit. Altura Photos 5-piece laptop